First things first, we're gonna jack it up and we're gonna take the tire off and we're gonna support this car with jack stands. The wheels off. You see this black wire? This is brand new. That's why it looks so much shinier than everything else. You follow it back and you remove this 10mm bolt. I've pre-loosened it just to make it easier for filming, and then you pull this out. I installed this ABS sensor yesterday, okay? Shouldn't have that groove in it. Means that axle washer is destroyed it. And this is, like I said, I installed it yesterday. So we're gonna look under the hood. Right over here, you see this wire coming up? This is the ABS sensor wire. And then you disconnect it. And it's usually clipped to the firewall right here. So once it's loose, it goes through that hole. Sorry, there we go. So it goes right through that hole over there, and it's usually clipped to this black thing over here. So we come down here, we've obviously unbolted it. What you do is it sits in right in there. There's a 10mm nut. You take it out, bolt, you take it out, you pull this off, okay? And you undo it right here. And then, well, the new one comes with all these clips. So what you can really do is brute force this and just pull on it and yank on it and it'll all come out. Now in my case, my new one got broken because of that split washer. So I'm gonna actually undo this and open it and take it out. But the rest of them, I don't really care about. So you just pull, yank, brute force, and that's it. ABS sensor. So I'm gonna go get the other one. A replacement ABS sensor. Can't say new because this is actually the one from the other side. You stick it in there, and then we take our 10mm bolt, and then we hand start it, and then we can get it in the rest of the way with a ratchet or something. Be very careful with this. It will break off. It'll break off in there. It's an aluminum bolt. And then stick it back in there, and you stick this part right in here, and you clamp it down. Well, you know, it's hard to do with one hand, but you clamp it down, and then you take this plug part, you pull this back up here, and it goes in right through that hole. Once it comes out through this hole, you can plug it in to your sensor, and then when this thing, it slides onto that black part right there. Hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea.